But then he just had my propane, and his brother had his car.
Oh.
I was in his car, so.
So Jeff, where are we?
We're at Brock's house, the apparent messiah of airsoft in Saskatoon.
Praise the Lord, all I see is a tree. I had a dream that one day, white children and black children, we'd play an airsoft together
Except we don't have any black people.
on one hill. Oh. Sure we do. There's well, not in Saskatoon. We got a couple of black guys in Regina. Actually, a few. Where are you, Brock? We're waiting for you.
It's in the palm of your hand.
Fits in the palm of your hand.
I said they're picking up some other kid. I don't know. I hear voices.
So do I. So do I.
Hello?
Quit touching me there.
That's good. That's good.
Hey.
That's
Got a
good.
freaking video camera.
Hell yeah.
Video everywhere.
How you doing?
Good.
Excellent.
How you doing?
So this is what it looks like.
What?
You know.
Hey, how you doing?
Not bad.
Right arm.
Okay, we're gonna get
Batteries.
kale. Yeah, I'm bringing these to kales.
Yeah.
We're gonna go kale and go.
Excellent.
Only like
Okay.
a few minutes at a time. So.
Okay.
Whose car are we taking?
Shotgun.
Gonna drive one or?
Well, you want to like.
Almost as filthy as your girlfriend. Almost.